Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today is Thursday, January 14th of 2021, and today we are going to look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Chainlink. And if you hold any Chainlink, hopefully today's video will make you a little bit more excited about that. Chainlink has been dragging down a little bit over the past few weeks, while other altcoins have maybe been making moves. I know Polkadot has been making a nice move in the past few days. Hopefully Chainlink is close, and today maybe you can see why I believe that. So let's go ahead and jump in. So if we look at Bitcoin in its early stages back in 2013, when it had its first big run up, you could see, let's switch this here for you. So we can see when it had its first big run up, it has a fall back down, then it kind of ranges and consolidates until it makes its new all-time high, and then it explodes. See this? Up, down, consolidation till new all-time high. Boom. Ethereum, its early days, or its big run, 2017. Move up, back down, consolidation till it gets to new all-time high. Boom. Chainlink, first big move up, down, consolidation, new all-time high. Look at the similarities in these moves. Chainlink, Ethereum, Bitcoin. These are the first big moves that all three coins have had. Maybe the crypto triplets, huh? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink. It's pretty amazing to me how similar, especially Ethereum and Chainlink are. I believe that Chainlink is about one cycle behind Ethereum, and Ethereum is one market cycle behind Bitcoin. So if this move, look how similar this is compared to the Chainlink move. It's almost like I just cut this part off of Ethereum. It's so similar. Once the all-time high is breached on any coin, that's when your explosion comes. That's why DOT is doing so well. Polkadot, if you don't own any Polkadot, you're probably doing well. Guess what? It's at all-time high. Once it clears all-time high, even though Polkadot's young, this is not going to be even close to where Polkadot ends up for its high. But the first big run-up, move down, consolidation. Look at the time slots. From its peak, you could go from here. It would go from this candle to when it makes its all-time high. 189 days, 182 days, something around there. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, how long might that be? $161 days. From peak to breakout. Where, you might ask where we are on Chainlink. I'm glad you asked. From peak, we are currently 154 days. Ethereum did its move in 161. Bitcoin was 180. Look at the candle that we just print, or that we're printing right now. If that finished right like it is, do you know what this move is called? That candle is called if it finished like this would be a dragonfly doji, and that will be the sign of the end of this region, and we would be moving much higher. Look how long that wick is. The longer the wick, the more buying pressure, like a firework. Look at that. Doesn't it look like a bottle rocket? Just ready to freaking fire off. Once Chainlink can break 20, this is likely to happen. Once Bitcoin clears all-time high, this is what happens. Once Ethereum clears all-time high, this is what happens. Once Chainlink clears all-time high, pretty cool stuff. So that's our examination of the day. If you want to look at Link in a shorter time frame, like what's going on right now, we've been moving up the past few days. Let me put this back on auto. We're still forming good separation on these four lines. This is our 200-day moving average, our 100-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and our 21-day moving average, all exponential, so they update more rapidly. What we'd want to do is obviously keep printing these green candles to be first and foremost. Obviously, we don't have any more big levels. Our last big level was the Fibonacci, which is like 1565, which is down here, basically at the top of this candle. As long as we can close above that, I'm super bullish. If we start closing up in these levels, I think we're close, guys. We're close. You saw Chainlink is 154 days away since its last top. Ethereum did its explosive move after 161 days. The next few weeks, you'd have to guess that, right? Bitcoin was 180, Ethereum was 160-ish. Next, it could be any time now. I mean, either one of these candles, if we get Bitcoin cooling off and still staying bullish, I think alts are going to really start blowing up here. So Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano. I know we had a viewer request for Cardano. Let's go ahead and look at that. All right, here is Cardano on our daily USD versus Cardano. You can see our moving averages are looking fantastic. We're having an explosive move after it ran into the 21-day moving average. Let's go over to the weekly and see what we look. This is a nice move. Confirm back down on our 21-week support line and below. This is looking very strong. See how we are? We're way high in our weekly RSI. Our stochastic momentum has pedal to the metal, is what I like to say. The higher this is, the more momentum the move has. So as long as this stays up here, we can keep going. Our ADX and DI, which I like to look at for power moves, this is excellent on the weekly. Above 20, this orange line above 25 is, you're gaining a lot of strength. And bullish, bulls are in charge of greens on top, bears are in charge of reds on top. So you want to watch for crosses like this, these big and then separation. This is looking great for Cardano. I expect a lot over the next year to two from Cardano. I think prices are going to be much higher than these. So that's what we got for that. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help you guys. I'm here for you. I don't never need to charge you for anything. This is all for free. I'm doing this for you, so just let me know what you like, and I can do that. I did a video yesterday on the DXY. I got the least amount of views since my first week of doing them, so obviously you guys don't like that. So if you don't want to learn about past moves, just let me know about that. If you just want to know what's current and happening and up to the second, up to the minute, whatever, just let me know and I can do that. If you got any other requests, I'm happy to take those. Otherwise, I will leave you with our card of the day. Here is our McLaren one GTR rat car. One of the first and fastest cars on the planet for today. The fastest car, honestly. Has a center seat, if you didn't know that. Roof scoop, cool the driver off, cool the engine off. Leave you a real picture right here. And here is our quote of the day. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We missed this yesterday. We cover it every day. And of course, when we get our dip, I forgot to talk about it. So our market structure was low of 86, high of 95. Once we break that, you're going to have a lot more volatility, which I think is playing out. Now, a positive sign is that even though we made a 78, we also printed an 83, but you might say 86 was our floor. It was our solid floor, but first, our step up to that floor was an 82. So maybe we could be breaking back into this. That would be very positive. This could be a fake out. Fake outs occur all the time in any chart. So that would be nice if that happens. If we can get back in this channel, so to speak. I think we can maybe Bitcoin simmer down. Altcoins can start booming. At least get a little bit of a run before Bitcoin tests its 21-week, which will happen sometime in the near future. The next few weeks to few months. It could be March, could be February, anytime. But Bitcoin will test the 21-week again. I promise. So we'll be ready for that. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Let me know if you have any requests. That's it, guys. Thanks so much. I appreciate you being here. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks again.